The Hiligaynon word hambal means to speak, to talk, or to say. Hambal. Hambal. Naghambal siya sing matuod. It means he or she spoke the truth. Siya is he or she. It's gender neutral. And then when we say matuod, it means truth or true. Naghambal siya sing matuod. Nagahambal sila sa Hiligaynon. It means they are speaking in Hiligaynon. Nagahambal sila. Sila is they, and then Hiligaynon is the language. So nagahambal sila sa Hiligaynon. Magahambal ako sa imo. I will talk to you. So ako is I, and then sa imo is to you. So magahambal ako sa imo. Gusto ko mahambal ang akon balatsyagon. I want to say how I feel. So balatsyagon is feeling, akon is my or mine, and then hambal is to like speak or to say. So gusto ko mahambal ang akon balatsyagon. And that is all for our Hiligaynon word hambal, which means to speak, to talk, or to say. Hambal. Hambal.